Andhra Pradesh Governor S. Abdul Nazir delivered a keynote address during the 77th Republic Day celebrations in Amaravati on January 26, 2026. He emphasized that state's commitment to the Swarnandhra 2047 vision, aiming for long-term prosperity and development. The governor outlined plans to transform the Visakhapatnam economic region into a $75 to $80 billion hub by 2047. He announced that progress on major infrastructure projects, including the Visakhapatnam Metro and Vijayawada Metro, while noting 92.15% completion of land pooling for the governor's residence complex and key roads. Highlighting clean energy goals, he declared Andhra Pradesh future powerhouse. He also stressed social welfare, citing the nation's highest pensions and the government's 10-point formula for governance.
My dear fellow citizens of Andhra Pradesh, I extend my warm greetings to you on this 77th Republic Day. It's a privilege to share this moment with every individual whose dedication strengthens our state and enriches its future. I see our farmers who sustain millions, our fishermen who brave the seas, our teachers who enlighten minds, our healthcare workers who serve with compassion, our innovators shaping new ideas, our women building futures, and our entrepreneurs generating livelihoods. You, the people of Andhra Pradesh, remain the true architects of our progress. Today's celebration is historic. For the first time, the national flag is being hoisted in Amaravati, the people's capital of Andhra Pradesh. For several years, our state remained without clear direction. Its capital project stalled, its economic confidence shaken. The absence of continuity eroded investor trust and weakened financial stability. Yet, despite these challenges, this government has worked with quiet determination, inch by inch, decision by decision, to restore stability and rebuild confidence. Every initiative, every reform, every review has been aimed at reviving growth and fulfilling the aspirations of our people. This effort has not been easy. It has demanded discipline, resilience, and faith in our collective purpose. But the results are visible. Projects are moving. Institutions are regaining strength, and public trust is being rebuilt. The journey of recovery and transformation has begun. To guide this course, my government has anchored its actions in a clear vision, Swarnandhra at 2047. Our goal is to build a strong, inclusive, and globally competitive state by the centenary of India's independence.